Only a Qwaqwa knows the feeling.
This year's my year, and I'm proud to be a Qwaqwa.
Great.
This is my first year. I'm looking forward to graduating.
You guys are very fortunate. You arrived the same year as we are welcoming our new campus principal, Professor Prince Ngobeni.
We came together on this beautiful morning to officially welcome new students to our beloved university.
For us, it's very important that you feel to be a Qwaqwa. Only a Qwaqwa knows the feeling. Your dreams and aspirations matter to us. There's a dream walk taking place just now. And after this dream walk, you will be welcomed and to place your dream card in one of the dream bags as a collective commitment to make each other's dream possible.
We are looking forward to study because that's the main objective. That's the reason why we're here. That's the reason why we came to UFS.
When it comes to education, it is the best.
Yes, I'm looking forward to study here as it is the new environment for me, a new province.
So much fun. I don't know about others, but I'm definitely enjoying it, and I hope it's not the last of it.